Gross. This is gross. Weak. Mid. In between mid and good. Oh, that was a good one. Weak. If y'all wondering, Dr. Pepper, and yes, I win all burping contests. Did y'all hear that? Y'all didn't hear it, but it was a weird noise. In between mid and okay. That was a little baby one.